Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the tools that help you feel confident and flawless every day. Today, we're checking out the Gold and Hot 1875-watt styler dryer, a styling tool designed specifically for textured hair, promising versatility and convenience with its array of attachments and settings. This styler dryer features 3 speed and heat combinations, giving you control over airflow and temperature depending on your styling needs. It comes with 3 attachments: a smoothing brush, a detangling comb, and a straightening comb, designed to handle everything from gentle detangling to sleek, polished looks. There's also a cool shot button, which is meant to lock in your style, and a removable end cap to make cleaning simple and hassle-free. Using this dryer in my routine, I found it remarkably intuitive. The weight feels manageable for extended styling sessions, and the attachments slide through textured hair without too much tugging. The smoothing brush did a good job at reducing frizz while maintaining volume, and the detangling comb handled knots gently. The straightening comb offered noticeable sleekness without requiring multiple passes, which is always a plus for reducing heat exposure. The cool shot button effectively set styles, leaving my hair feeling soft and polished. That said, the airflow could be a touch stronger for very thick or coarse hair types, but for medium textured hair, it performed admirably. On the plus side, the design is ergonomic, making styling comfortable. The attachments are versatile, and the removable end cap is a thoughtful touch for maintenance. Heat control options add flexibility, and the cool shot button is a solid finishing feature. On the downside, it can get slightly warm to the touch during longer sessions, and heavier textures may require more time to achieve the desired results. Considering the price point, this styler dryer offers strong value, especially if you often switch between different styling techniques. The combination of attachments and multiple heat and speed settings justifies the cost for those seeking a single tool to handle multiple styling needs. Compared to similar dryers on the market, the Gold and Hot stands out for its thoughtful attachments and user-friendly design, though some higher-end models may offer faster drying times or more advanced temperature control. Build quality feels durable, and the attachments snap securely into place without wobbling. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the removable end cap, and overall, the materials used seem robust enough for regular use. The brand has a solid reputation for customer support, though I didn't need to test this firsthand. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are simpler dryers with fewer attachments, but they won't provide the same versatility or targeted care for textured hair. For those willing to invest a bit more, this tool offers convenience and performance in one package. If you've found this review helpful so far, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Gold and Hot 1875-watt styler dryer does a commendable job catering to textured hair, offering flexibility, effective styling, and thoughtful design features. It won't replace professional salon equipment, but for at-home styling, it delivers reliable performance with multiple styling options. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the purchase link in the comments or description box below. If you've used this dryer, drop a comment and share your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.